Hello dear students, in previous lecture we have learned about how to rotate and how to mirror the object in AutoCAD. Today we are going to discuss some more modify commands, that is scale, trim and extend. So start with scale command. For using scale command I am going to draw a rectangle with the help of line command. So I have selected line command, then I have specified the first point. Now I am giving it as 100 units as the width, then 50 units as height, then 100 units, and if I join this rectangle here, then I will get automatically 50. Then click on it and escape. I will get a triangle or rectangle like this. Now I have to do the use the scale command. For that, by using scale command, I will change the scale factor of this drawing. Let's see how. Click on this scale command. Now you have to select the object whose scale is to be changed. So I have to change the scale of this rectangle. So I will select this whole rectangle and then enter. Then it will ask you to specify base point. So let it be the base point here. Now in the command line you can see that it is asking you that specify scale factor. Specify scale factor. It means if you enter 1, scale factor 1, you will get the same triangle because the object size is similar to the drawing size. So this rectangle will remain the same. There is no change in this rectangle. And if you enter here scale factor is 0.5, then you will get this rectangle half of the previous size. So enter. So now you can see that the size of the rectangle get reduced to half because I have selected scale factor as 0.5. Okay. Now if again I will select this rectangle and give scale factor as 1, then I will get the previous rectangle. So let's see, scale, select the object, then enter, specify base point, scale factor. I want to give the scale factor. I am giving the scale factor greater than 1, 1.5. Then enter. I will get the size of the rectangle which I get from 0.5 to 1.5. Now the size of this rectangle changes to 1.5 scale factor. So this is how the scale command is used to modify the drawing. Now next command is extend and trim command. So first I will discuss trim command. So trim command is used to trim object to meet the edges of the object. Okay, so for using trim command, I am drawing a object. For example, I am drawing this one. There is the object like this, and I have to draw it like this with using trim command. I want to get this kind of object from this drawing. So I have to use trim command. How the trim command is used for this purpose? So click on trim or write tr in the command line. Now it is asking that select object to trim. So I want to trim this line, and this line to get this kind of object. So click on the line which you want to trim. So now you can see that by using trim command, you can get the object like this. So trim command is used to trim the edges of the object. Now the next command is extend. If a line is small and you want to extend that line, then you can use this extend command. Okay. If I want to join this line by this line, then I have to press on the line which I have to select and extend till here. So I will select this object. Now you can see that this line is extended up to here and press enter. This is how the extend and trim command works. So this is all for today. Thank you so much and have a nice day.